Hey there, everyone. Today on K-Level, I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games error 1507. First thing you should always do is check Rockstar's server status, because sometimes they just aren't working right. To do that, open your browser, type Rockstar Games server status here, and click the first link. Everything's running fine right now. Next, if that doesn't work, try turning your VPN on or off, then restart your router. Make sure you reboot the router. It might reset the connection to your internet provider, and that could help. Then, check your internet connection. Type network connection exactly like that. Now, pick your adapter, click Properties, choose IP version 4, click Properties again, and use Google's DNS. Type 88888 and then 44. Hit OK. That might help too. Restart your computer and see if it works. You can also reset your DNS settings. To do this, open the command line, type cmd, go in, and then type ipconfig/flushdns. That's it. Now give it a try. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.